Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was the most requested video. You've been asking me how do I keep my face so toned and chiseled. We all work out for our body and we need to work out for our face to have that chiseled look. There are a couple of exercises that I perform on daily basis that you can also perform at the comfort of your house anytime to have that chiseled look and get rid of the double chin. So let's get started.
Like any other workout, we begin with a warm-up. Sit or stand comfortably, open your mouth and lift your lower lip as much as you can by pushing your lower jaw out. You must feel a stretch in your chin muscles and jawline while doing so. Remain in that posture for a few seconds, relax and repeat 10 times. Lip pull tones your facial muscles and give you high cheekbones and a prominent jawline. Repeat the same on the other side. Remain in the posture for a few seconds, relax and repeat 10 times. It's important to ease into any kind of exercise routine slowly and not overdo it. Avoid certain jerky movements with your jaw to avoid any painful pulls. Always focus on your breathing while doing these exercises. The real benefit of exercises lie in perfect breathing techniques. To get rid of the turkey neck or double chin, tilt your neck back with your face towards the ceiling. Now open your lower jaw as wide as possible and slightly jet out the lower jaw and close it back. Make sure you do this slowly to avoid any muscle pull in your jawline. Repeat this for 10 more times before bringing head back to neutral. Keep increasing the repetitions with time. If you feel discomfort or tightness in your jaw, respect your body and refrain from doing this posture for longer duration of time. For the fish face, close your lips tightly, suck your cheeks in, forming fish lips with your mouth. Hold this position for up to 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Shortly, you will start to feel the burn in your cheeks and jaws. This exercise tones and stretches your cheek muscles. It makes your cheeks less flabby and gives your face a sleek look. For the next exercise, you need to push your lips out as much as possible, as if you are going to kiss. Start with pushing your lips against your fingers. Making a loud kissing sound is important to achieve the full effect of this posture. So don't be shy and kiss like you mean it. Repeat this exercise 50 to 55 times and increase as you start practicing. This exercise not only gets you a prominent jawline, high cheekbones, and strengthen the muscles in your neck, it also pucker your lips. The real secret to a youthful pout, according to experts, is by doing such regular lip exercises. Keeping your shoulders down and relaxed, turn your face to one side until you feel a good stretch in the upper neck and chin area. Then, sticking out your tongue, hold the pose for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat on the other side. You will feel the stretch in your neck. Repeat the exercise 3 times each sides before bringing the head back to neutral. Moving on to the next exercise. Keep your mouth closed and fill your cheeks up with as much air as possible. Hold the position for a full minute if you can. Repeat the exercise 3 to 4 times depending on the duration you are able to hold the air. This exercise strengthens your cheek muscles, prevents them from sagging or becoming thin and hollow, and also avoids appearance of double chin. Another version of this exercise is the mouthwash technique. In this exercise, you fill your mouth with air, transfer the air in your mouth from one corner to the other, similar to cleansing your mouth with mouthwash. Pretend that you are slowly swishing mouthwash in your cheeks side to side. Hold for 4 to 5 seconds and repeat it 10 times. For the next exercise, smile as wide as you can without opening your lips. Try for an ear-to-ear grin. Hold the pose for 5 seconds and repeat the steps 10 times. There are 43 muscles in the face, most of which are controlled by the facial nerve. 17 of those muscles are used when you smile, and 43 of them are working when you frown. So smile more often. The next exercise is to release the tension from the facial muscles. Work your eyelids by squeezing your eyes shut with a little stretching resistance from your mouth. Tighten your lips, squeezing your facial muscles. Hold it for 5 seconds and release. Repeat 10 times. Finish the routine by rewarding yourself with a face massage. Tap gently all over your face. Tap on your forehead, temples, jaws, and cheeks to relieve any tired muscles. There are various benefits of facial exercises. It strengthens the muscles in your face, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, increases blood circulation, releases any tension in the face and neck, and firms and tightens the facial skin. Instead of spending a fortune on cosmetic surgeries, try spending 20 minutes a day strengthening your muscles with facial exercises. If you want to see results quickly, you should aim to perform your facial exercises 3 to 5 times a week for around 20 minutes each time. There is evidence that shows that face exercises can work for anti-aging. But like any form of exercise, you must commit to the regime. Consider pairing the exercises with good skincare products and healthy lifestyle to maintain the results.
If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more.